Today you will learn how you can use vegetarian meals, nutritious fruits, vegetables, and grains into your weight loss journey. I am Rajitha Bommakanti, registered nurse, faith-based holistic coach, and founder of Healthy You Lifestyle Center. I help my clients in making positive changes in their life, in developing healthy mindset and healthy habits for life, one step at a time. I am there encouraging them every step of the way until they reach their goals. Keep watching this video until the end so that you can learn how you can use different vegetarian recipes into your weight loss journey and lose weight. Vegetarian dishes are sometimes associated with complicated steps and ingredients. Today I am going to show you simple vegetarian meals that are very easy to make, filled with flavor and densely nutritious meals that everybody in the family can enjoy, whether they are vegetarian or not. Let's start with broccoli tofu. Number one, take pan and add a tablespoon of sesame oil. Once it's heated, add the broccoli. Stir fry for a couple minutes and then add chopped tofu. Slowly fold it for 3 minutes. Once that is done, then add salt, pepper, red pepper flakes, and soy sauce to your flavor and stir fry another 5 minutes. Voila! You have a delicious, nutritious broccoli tofu that you can enjoy. Number two is a squash soup. Rub a tablespoon of olive oil onto the squash, cut it into half, turn the oven on at 375 degrees, put it in a pan with half a cup of water and put it in the oven for 15 minutes on both sides. Once it's done, remove it, wait until it's cooled. Once it's cooled, then remove the squash and chop it into medium-sized chunks. In another pan, add a tablespoon of olive oil, add some onions, garlic, ginger, stir fry for 5 minutes until it's translucent. Then add the chopped squash into it and stir fry for another 5 to 10 minutes until the squash is nice and tender. Once that's done, strain out the water that's in the squash soup that you have just made. Reserve some water on the side and blend the squash. Once it's blended, look at the consistency and add the reserved water as however you want it to be. And in order to add some creaminess to it, you can add some almond milk to it. That will make it nice, thick, and creamy. Here you go. Another simple, delicious, hot soup for you to enjoy. It is not that difficult to make these nutritious vegetarian meals that you can use for weight loss. I help my clients achieve their full potential, which is not self-serving, but keeping their interest in mind so that they get unstuck and learn a new way that they can relish and enjoy throughout and make that positive change. My clients say that they love the simplicity of the recipes that are made and the flavors are incorporated according to their taste, and it is very easy for them to implement and enjoy. Not just them, but their whole family enjoys these recipes. These vegetarian recipes take less than an hour to make, and they are filled with lots of nutrition. You can use the seasonal vegetables and fruits, whatever that they are available according to the season, and also the year-round fruits and vegetables that you get and the ingredients that you can incorporate and make nutritious meals throughout the year and enjoy, and also lose weight while you're enjoying good nutritious meals. How is that? That is a wonderful way to enjoy the food and lose weight at the same time. Recipe number 3, apple pie. Chop 8 cups of Granny Smith apples. Set them aside. In a different bowl, take 3 tablespoons of cornstarch and add a cup of water to it. Whisk really well, and then to that add 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of lime juice, some Himalayan salt to taste, and nutmeg, vanilla essence, a teaspoon of it, and also 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon. Whisk it really well and put the Granny Smith apples in a crock pot that is greased with a nonstick spray, and then to that add this mixture of cornstarch that you have made. Mix it really well. Cook it in the slow cooker for about 1.5 hours to 2 hours, or until the apples are tender. Now, once it's done, let it sit and cool for about 10 minutes. And here you go. Now you have a ooey gooey fruity dessert that you can enjoy. And number 4, here we have a quinoa and chickpea nutritious meal to eat. Cook quinoa according to the directions, and then open up a can of chickpeas, drain the water, and make sure it's really rinsed well, and add a little bit of Himalayan salt to the quinoa. Put that quinoa in a bowl and add the drained chickpeas to it. Once that's drained, once you add the chickpeas, on the other side of the stove, put a steamer on and a steam bunch of kale, curly kale. Once that's steamed, chop them and add to this bowl of quinoa and chickpeas. Add salt, pepper to taste, and some tahini over it. Right before serving, squeeze half a lime to it and enjoy the nutritious, dense, full of protein meal that is filling and satisfying. This is incredibly satisfying vegetarian meals that you can use to lose weight and enjoy these delicious meals. These recipes are very simple. Simplicity is the key to this. It does not have to be complicated, and you can make it according to your taste. That's what my clients like the best, because they have been shown how they can make these vegetables that fit their needs, their taste, and that is good for them and their entire family. What is your favorite vegetarian meal? Tell me in the comments below. Whether you are a full-fledged vegetarian or you're just kicking off as a vegetarian, like starting off with Meatless Mondays. These vegetarian meals are very nutritious, filled with lots of color and nutritionally dense. Meals that you can enjoy, and also when your guests come over, you can serve it to them. They will love you for it because they are full of flavor, and you can add whatever taste to it, whatever flavors and herbs to it, to make it very nutritious and flavorful, colorful, so that you can enjoy all the different nutrients and still lose weight, making it a healthy meal for you. If you want to learn more about my services, you visit my website, Healthy You Lifestyle Center. The link to the website is in the description box below. For additional tips, you can join my Facebook group, Healthy Lifestyle Tribe, where we talk about all the different tips and give you lots of pointers on how to lose weight and keep it off. Tell me in the comments below, what is your challenge in making vegetarian meals? I am your faith-based holistic coach. Until next time, choose the right option.